Hi all, I'm in Costa Rica while you're watching this. Actually, I'm filming it the Saturday before I leave, but by the time you see this, I'll have been in Costa Rica a few days. So some of you have expressed interest in learning how to make greeting cards, your own cards. So I got a bunch of easy to do kits from scrapbook.com. So I've got 3 of them here that I'm going to show you that I bought to do while I go on my retreat in a couple months, or a couple weeks. When I get back from my trip, I have a week home and then I go on a scrapbooking type, card making, whatever retreat. So the first one is just a kind of a fun one. Almost like little kid type. So here's what some of the cards will look like. They're all like farm type things. And you get, let's see, includes 40 chipboard pieces, 75 die cut bits and pieces, 8 4.25 by 5.5 white card bases. And then you can make your own. It makes more than 8. They give you stuff to where you can make more than 8. You just have to put your own white card bases. Complete step-by-step instructions, envelopes not included. So this is all the stuff you get, and I'll show you what you get. Get it all out here. So you get instructions on how to make the cards the way they say, but I never pay attention to that. These are chipboard, see, it's like cardboardy punch out things you can put on your cards. And then these are your bases. These fold in half. They've got like, see the little, they're like creased there for you. And then these, they're punch out, but they're little bases to do whatever you want on the cards. There's those. And these. See, there's more than 8 here, so you can layer up. You put those layers down, and you see how these are a little bit smaller. Then you layer it with these smaller pieces, and then the circles or the stars or the punch outs or the words or whatever you want, but it's all cut out for you. You just punch it out. Like if you put a sheep on it, here's one that says, "You make me bleat." Just chicken in, so you would put a chicken on that one. Hogs and kisses, sending you a little hog. Hello from our coop. Just pig cuz. Love you, EWE, so much. So it's got all these different like cutesy little sayings on it. So that's the first one. So you can see how easy these would be. You just kind of punch them out and glue them on and layer them up and you're done. This one is also kid kind of looking with like little animals and things on it. But these you guys are a bunch of kids just like I am, so you will appreciate these, I'm sure. If I sent you one, you would like getting it. This one has cactuses on it, and let's see what this one has. It's got the card bases. It's like 2 different sizes. Yeah, it's got 2 different size card bases. And then it's got little different sayings and things that you can punch out. And then these are interesting because it's got like words and backgrounds and stuff on one side, and then it's just plain on the other, so you can either do your own thing or use their thing. This is the same. So you get two of each one. So there's this, or there's these, like already designed for you. I tend to do my own thing kind of thing, so I got 2 of those. And then there's one more that you get. Here's some background ones that you just punch these out and put all that other stuff on it. Or there's this side. And I got 2 of those also. And then you have all these directions. And then here's like some samples of what you could do. I thought that was a dress, but it's a vase. And when I saw this thing, I thought it was a sleeveless dress, but it's a vase. A little birdie and all kinds of stuff. So that's the second one. And of course, when I make these, I will show you what they turned out like. And this one is a Christmas one. So you can see kind of what the cards are going to look like. This one includes 27 chipboard pieces, 71 die-cut bits and pieces, 8, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 white card bases, and instructions. Envelopes not included. They're very seldom included. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 is standard card size because that is what you get if you cut an 8 1/2 by 11 piece of paper in half and then fold it again. So let's see what all's in here. You get, of course, here you get your directions. Your white cardstock card bases. These are your chipboard stuff. Chipboard's this little thin cardboardy stuff. There's a deer on there, some different sayings, a birdie, Santa. And then it's got these different punch-out bases. Another one, and then it's got these little side pieces. And then there's all these little strips and circles and things, and then there's these, which are all like trees and Santas and all kinds of little tags and things. So all of this is, all you pretty much need to do this is, of course, you'll have to buy some envelopes, but other than that, these just punch out. You can either follow the directions or do your own thing and just get like a tape runner or something and glue them together, and you have handmade cards. So if you're just starting to get into card making, I'm really experienced at it, but I've gotten lazy over the years, and these kits are so easy. I prefer to use those, and they still come out really cute. I may jazz them up a little other than what they tell you to do. but I enjoy the kits because they make it super easy to do, and they turn out really cute. So I got these at scrapbook.com. Just put in card kit and maybe even sale card kit. These were all on sale. So, if you want to give card making a try, this is a good start. They're super easy to do. Alrighty, well, I'm having fun in Costa Rica while you're watching this video. I will have more Costa Rica videos. Fanny and I and her baby are in Costa Rica having a good old time. And we will tape as much as we possibly can and have lots of fun videos for you. Love y'all. See you soon. Bye-bye.